PLUG stock analysis next week. Super interesting. Is it a buy? Going to be breaking all of this down from Monday and onwards now in this 1 minute video. As the only person in this space, myself, that has done 43,000 videos over 5 years experience, all documented and track recorded. Black Power is just like a decent bullish market, but it's just not going to make it be, let's say, for me to be just immediately buying here. I like the shift and all that good jazz, but going in on tomorrow, the only thing that I'll quite frankly care about is a pull down and a double break. Like always. This can be a part of something huge, but if rules are not met, then I have no business touching this whatsoever, right? Bro, where are my drawings? Like, why are my drawings not here? Because I think that I was in a better trade there, but... Okay, so be it. If it does pull down yet again, it gives me a confirmation looking to buy, because this would have been just like so sick. I got 2 breaks. Audio would have been a runner, but no drawings on the chart. So start off from 0. If you want to stay tuned, get free daily market picks and all that good stuff for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.